Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Let's discuss how to find areas of plane figures by considering areas of sectors and segments of a circle. Let's start. Area of a sector of a circle. Let A and B be 2 points on a circle with center O. Then OA and OB be the radii of the circle. A sector is the part of a circle which is enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc. The angle formed by these two radii is called the angle of the sector. Here, theta is the angle of the sector. There are two types of sectors of a circle, minor sector and major sector. When theta is less than 180 degree, the sector so formed is the minor sector. In the figure, OAPB is the minor sector of the circle. On the other end, OAQB is the major sector of the circle with its angle equal to 360 degree minus angle AOB. Let's know how to derive the formula for the area of a sector of a circle. We know that the degree measure of the angle at the center of a circle of radius r is 360 degree. When the degree measure of the circle at the center is 360 degree, area of the sector, that is of the circle, is equal to pi r square. When the degree measure of the angle at the center of the circle is 1 degree, then area of the sector so formed is equal to pi r square upon 360 degree. When the degree measure of the angle at the center of the circle is theta, then area of the sector so formed is equal to theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. Hence, the formula for the area of a minor sector of a circle of angle theta is equal to theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. Now, area of a major sector of a circle is equal to area of the circle minus area of a minor sector of the circle. That equal to pi r square minus theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. Now, let us derive the formula for the length of the arc of a sector of a circle of radius r. When the angle of the sector of a circle is 360 degree, then the length of the arc of the sector, that is the circumference of the circle, is equal to 2 pi r, when the angle of a sector of the circle is 1 degree, then the length of the arc of the sector so formed is equal to 2 pi r upon 360, when the angle of a sector of the circle is theta. Then the length of the arc of the sector so formed is equal to theta upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Now let's know the formula for the perimeter of a sector of a circle of radius r. Perimeter of a sector of a circle is equal to length of the arc of the sector so formed plus 2 multiplied by radius of the circle, that equal to theta upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r plus 2 into radius. Now let's consider an example to illustrate how these formulas can be used. In the figure, OAPB is the minor sector and OAQB is the major sector of a circle with center O and radius 7 cm. Also, the angle of minor sector is of 60 degree. Now find the area of the minor sector, area of the major sector, length of the arc of the minor sector, length of the arc of the major sector, perimeter of the minor sector, perimeter of the major sector. First, area of the minor sector OAPB equal to theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square, that equal to 60 upon 360 multiplied by 22 upon 7, given that pi equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 square, that equal to 22 upon 6 multiplied by 7 into 7 upon 7 centimeter square. On simplifying, we get 77 upon 3 centimeter square, that equal to 25.67 centimeter square. Second, area of the major sector OAQB equal to area of the circle minus area of the minor sector of the circle. That equal to pi r square minus 25.67 centimeter square, that equal to 22 by 7 multiplied by 7 into 7 centimeter square minus 25.67 centimeter square. On simplifying we get 154 centimeter square minus 25.67 centimeter square, that equal to 128.33 centimeter square. Third, length of the arc APB of the minor sector OAPB equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r, that equal to 60 upon 360 multiplied by 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 centimeter. On simplifying we get 44 upon 6 centimeter, that equal to 7.33 centimeter, that equal to 7.3 centimeter. Fourth part, length of the arc AQB of the major sector OAQB of the circle. We can solve this question by two methods. First method, length of the arc equal to 360 minus theta upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r, that equal to 300 upon 360 multiplied by 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7. On solving we get 5 upon 6 multiplied by 44 centimeter, that equal to 220 upon 6 centimeter, that equal to 36.7 centimeter. Now second method to solve this part of the question. Length of the arc of the major sector, that equal to circumference of the circle minus length of the arc of the minor sector of the circle. That equal to 2 pi r minus 7.3 centimeter, that we have found from third part of the question, that equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 centimeter minus 7.3 centimeter, that equal to 44 centimeter minus 7.3 centimeter, that equal to 36.7 centimeter. Fifth part of the question, perimeter of the minor sector OAPB of the circle equal to length of its arc APB plus 2 into radius of the circle. That equal to 7.3 centimeter plus 2 into 7 centimeter, that we have found from third part of the question, that equal to 21.3 centimeter. Now the sixth part of the question, perimeter of the major sector OAQB of the circle is equal to length of its arc AQB plus 2 into radius of the circle, that equal to 36.7 centimeter plus 2 into 7 centimeter, that we have found from fourth part of the question, that equal to 50.7 centimeter. I think you would have understood how to use the formulas relating to the sector of a circle. Now let's discuss how to find the area for the segment of a circle. When a chord, say AB, of a circle with center O divides the circle into two parts, say AQB and APB, then each part is called a segment of the circle. Also, APBA is the minor segment and AQBA is the major segment of the circle. Now let us know how to derive the formula for the area of a segment of a circle. Let R be the radius of the circle with center O and theta be the angle of the minor sector OAPB. Then area of the minor segment APBA is equal to area of the minor sector OAPB minus area of triangle AOB. We have already discussed how to find the area of a minor sector of a circle. Let us first know how to find the area of triangle AOB here, and then find the area of the minor segment. Draw the perpendicular OM on AB to form two right triangles AMO and BMO right angled at M. By RHS congruence rule, it can be proved that these two triangles are congruent. That is, right triangle AMO is congruent to right triangle BMO. Imply that AM equal to MB and angle AOM equal to angle BOM, that equal to theta upon 2. Now, in right triangle AMO right angled at M, we have cos theta upon 2 equal to OM upon OA. Imply that cos theta upon 2 equal to OM upon R. That implies that OM equal to R cos theta upon 2. Also, in right triangle AMO, sin theta upon 2 equal to AM upon OA. That implies that AM equal to R sin theta upon 2. That implies that 2 AM equal to 2R sin theta upon 2. That implies that AB equal to 2 AM, that equal to 2R sin theta upon 2. Now, area of triangle AOB equal to half into AB into OM, that equal to half into 2R sin theta upon 2 into cos theta upon 2, that equal to R square sin theta upon 2 into cos theta upon 2. This gives the area of triangle OAB. Now, area of the minor segment APBA of the circle equal to area of the minor sector OAPB with theta as the angle of sector minus area of triangle AOB, that equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square minus r square sin theta upon 2 into cos theta upon 2. This is the formula for the area of the minor segment of a circle. Using the formula for the area of the minor segment of a circle, we can find the area of the major segment. Now, area of the major segment, here AQBA of the circle is equal to area of the circle minus area of the minor segment, here APBA of the circle. Using this formula, we can find the area of the major segment of a circle. Now, let us consider an example to illustrate these formulas for the area of a segment of a circle. A chord of a circle of radius 14 cm subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find first area of the minor segment of the circle, second area of the major segment of the circle. Use pi equal to 22 upon 7 and root 3 equal to 1.73. Draw the perpendicular OM on the chord AB of the circle with center O. Now, radius of the circle R equal to 14 centimeter. The angle of sector theta equal to 120 degree. Also, angle AOM equal to angle BOM, that equal to half of angle of sector AOB, that equal to 60 degree. Now, area of the minor segment APBA of the circle is equal to area of the minor sector OAPB with angle of sector 120 degree. Minus area of triangle AOB that equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square minus r square sin theta upon 2 into cos theta upon 2, that equal to 120 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 centimeter square minus 14 into 14 sin 120 upon 2 into cos 120 degree upon 2. On simplifying, we get 616 upon 3 centimeter square minus 14 into 14 into sine 60 degree into cos 60 degree centimeter square, that equal to 616 by 3 centimeter square and this equal to 14 into 14 into root 3 by 2 into half centimeter square, because we know that sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2 and cos 60 equal to half. That on simplification we get 205.33 centimeter square minus 84.77 centimeter square. Then on simplification we get 120.56 centimeter square, which is the required answer. Second part, area of the major segment AQBA of the circle is equal to area of the circle of radius 14 centimeter minus area of the minor segment APBA we know area of the circle equal to pi r square, so that equal to pi r square minus we have found in the earlier step area of the minor segment at 120.56, so we have put the value here, that equal to 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14 centimeter square minus 120.56 centimeter square. On simplifying we get 616 centimeter square minus 120.56 centimeter square, that equal to 495.44 centimeter square. That's your answer. I think you would have understood how to use these formulas to find the area of a segment of a circle. I think this video would be very useful to know how to derive and use the formulas for areas of plane figures, that is area of a sector and segment of a circle. Please like and share this video. Also subscribe my channel and hence press the bell icon to get the latest notifications of my videos. Thanks.